Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll show you how to make keyboard bigger on iPhone. So guys, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and go through your settings. Here on the settings guys, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit and should be able to see here display and brightness. So go ahead and select this option over here. And one thing that you could change is the text size. So pretty much select text size over here and make it into a bigger one, and pretty much this will also adjust your keyboard. So make it bigger based on your preferences and make sure that it is on bold text. Now, another thing that you could consider, just simply go to your control center. You should be able to see the lock screen. And guys, from here, you could just simply turn the lock screen over here. And when typing, you could just simply make your phone landscape to make the keyboard bigger. And as of now, that is the only way to make your keyboard bigger on your iPhone. And pretty much that's it.